Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today, previously in my previous video I show how we can use the darknet kind of library to detect the object, and so now we are trying to explore new library which is called this ImageAI. So this is a quite easy and straightforward Python library that we can use to do some machine learning for the object detection. So let's get started. Right now I need to create the library for the project library, so we can use the virtual environment to basically create it. And let me know in the comment below if you don't know how to create the project library. So this is the command, and make sure we are using Python 3 because the TensorFlow is not able to support Python 2 right now. So Python 3 is the latest one, which is great. So as you can see, if you can see, after that I will see the folder here that I create by using Python 3. If you check out my Python path right now is using the default one, and after I activate this project library, then I will use the project library instead of the system library. So now you can see the Python now changed to the project libraries here. So now after we activate, and we need to install the ImageAI library that we need. So wait for it. So it will install all the necessary libraries that need by this ImageAI. So wait for it. It's quite quick normally. So after that, what we need to do is we can create a file. This is my main file. So I mean all good, but I just want to create another new file. So this is the default project library, so I call it object detection. So as you can see here, right? So in my project file here, what can I do is at least I make sure we can set properly this step. You can skip if you don't want to set the things properly. I think it's still fine, but then I will always make sure that set correctly the library. So I need to use the Python 3. Okay, correct. At least I need to able to detect the things well. So what you can do here is, from here, if you refer back to the things, so just for information, the ImageAI will switch to PyTorch backend starting from June 2021. So right now it's fine. We can still use this AI. Eventually they will move to PyTorch. So now what we can do is we need to download. We can try to download this YOLOv3 model. So this is important things that we need for our project. And also this is to the video object detection, and for now we try the image first. Later we'll go through this again. So we try to make the image first. So what does it mean that? So you can import the detection from the ImageAI detection, your object detection. Later we will go through the video object detection. Now we try these things first. I mean object detection first. It's very simple. Just like what I said just now, you need 3 things that you need to prepare. Models. Like just now we download the things, right? So here you need to prepare 3 folder models, input, output, 3 folders. So input and model that we need to use call YOLO #5, which is the quite large things. Still downloading. Yeah, you see it's quite slow, man. Yeah, still need around 2 minutes, so yeah, wait for it. So what we can do, we can prepare the things first, and then input path is the image file that you want to use. I put it input and then testing something JPEG. Output, what is the output path? Dot output result dot JPEG. After that, I need to use the detector, set the correct model to this one. Actually, in the website, if you can try to play around, basically support 3 model that you can set. One is the YOLO, one is the tiny. This one is a very quick, but probably the result is less accurate and fastest. This one is slow, but then the result is more accurate. This one is another model, so that we have a 3 pre-trained model that you can use. So I use this one, YOLOv3. So yeah, and then after you set the things right, you need to set the model path, which is this one, and then detector. You need to load the model, and then very simple. I can tell you, this is the simplest library that we can use to detect from image. Yep, detect object from image, and then you need to put 2 paths. One is the input image, which is input path, and then output image path, you can put output path. So it's very simple, right? So after that, right, for each, sorry, this one got something wrong. This one is detection. For each item inside the things that we detect, right, we can like print it out to see what is inside there. So let's check it out. It's very simple, I tell you. You definitely become like clever person, like you know everything, you're able to create great thing from here, like you know a lot of stuff by using this library. So okay, the code is done. So it's that simple. So you also can refer this. Basically, this code is you can refer back from the web page itself. It got explained very clear also. So it's quite straightforward, right? So let us update the model properly. So this is the model. We need to put the model file here. Yeah, just able to get it in rename so that it's proper name. Yep, okay, I think that's all for now. We can try it out. So let's see. Object detection. Oh, sorry, I haven't put the image. So yeah, I think we need to put some image there. So let me see what image we got. Yeah, we can try these 2 images. Let me open it up later. So this kind of image, right, you can search from the internet there. Basically, as you can see, one is this image, another one is a webp image. So basically I get from the Google there. Basically is this image. So I download from here. Then yeah, let me try grab another one. Maybe right now I'm using this image. So let me see any other image that I can use so that we can, yeah, how about like Kuala Lumpur city street. Yeah, street I think is good so that we can have more data. So how about this one? So let me download it. If you download, yeah, KL city. Yeah, this is good. After download, right, okay, so now we have a lot of picture to test out our stuff whether work or not. So let's try the first one, which is this one. Let's see what is the result. So we can run it. Yeah, just run the object detection. Oh, we haven't imported that one, so make sure you also install TensorFlow. So yeah, it's missing the library, so we can install. Wait for a while. Okay, done. So we test again whether it works or not. Let's see. Yeah, almost there. Yeah, you see, it's able to create, it's able to detect so many things like car, how many percentage it recognize, bus, this kind of things. So let us take a look on the input result. Yeah, you see, right? So you see, it's able to detect a lot of stuff like handbag, how many percent, what is the person, these kind of things, right? So it's quite cool, right, this library, and it's quite straightforward. So let's try another picture. So just want to let you know that it's able to support the webp as well. So even though right now I'm not able to open here, but never mind, let us take a look on the picture. Webp, and maybe I make this one result too. So let us test again. And then later I will test the KLCT one, which is the third example. Yeah, let us take a look on that. So result 2. Okay, you see here, wow, this is nice picture. You see, there's car here, person. Of course, it's not able to detect a lot of stuff, but then it's still able to recognize like traffic light, right? So let us take a look on the percentage itself. Yeah, traffic light, you see, it's able to detect also car. It's quite cool, right? Yeah, a lot of stuff it can detect. So you can implement this for your video screening or some kind of even though a real-time camera as well. So we will go through that later. So right now we test on the third example, which is this KL city things that I download from the website just now. So I make it result 3. So let's test it out. How is the KL city? Here is the thing, it's quite small, but let us see whether it's able to detect or not. Yeah, cool, man. It's able to detect a lot of stuff also, like car, of course. Same thing, it's not able to detect everything. Let's take a look on what it's able to detect. It's quite small actually. Maybe you guys can get a big one, so that big clear image, so that you can test out the thing. So here is quite small, so sorry about that, I didn't check the image size. Yeah, basically that's it for the image detecting. So now we go to the another example, which is called camera detection. Camera detection, you can copy the same thing here, but the only difference is what you need is you need to change the, instead of object video object detection, you change to video object detection. And then of course this one is a video detection. And also you need to like you need to know the camera, right? So camera, yeah, in this case you need another things, which is later you need to import CV2 because we need to open the camera. So CV2.video, let me install right now. So another new library that being required, since we are going to require the camera. So which is this library, OpenCV Python. Okay, it's there. So yeah, it's there, so it's fine. So we can use that already. Yep. So video capture 0, and then change this one to camera. No, this one you also need to change. So detect from video, and then camera input path right now is the camera, which is this one. CV2 output is something like maybe camera detected video, and you also need to provide some extra variable, like such as frame per second. You can set to like 20 log progress through minimum percentage probability, maybe set it 40, so that above 40 then only you show out the things. So yeah, I think that's it. This one is a video path. You can also print the output of that. So let's see, check everything. So it's the, yeah, we use the v3. Yeah, I think that's all. Of course, this one is no longer required, so we can take it out. Let's try and see whether it broke or not. So yeah, let's get started and let's test it out and see. So you can Python camera detect things. Yeah, let's see. So this one it will open your camera basically. Oh yeah, so I have some problem here, which is, yeah, this is wrong. Output image path is wrong basically. Actually is output file path. Yeah, let's test it out again. Yeah, you see, it's actually processing the frame. So I use the phones to see whether it can detect or not. Yeah. Okay, let me play around, like maybe process 10 frame to see whether it can detect by using this live camera from my machine. Okay, I think should be fine. Should be all good. So I cancel it right now. So let us take a look on the video file itself. You can check out from here. You see here there's a new video. So let me open it for my machine. Where's the file? Open in Finder. Yeah, this is the file. Let's take a look. So yeah, you see it's able to detect the things, the file, and remote cell phone person. Yeah, quite okay. 40%, 50%. The remote, I'm not too sure it stands for what, but then yeah, it's able to detect the things. It's quite cool. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I think basically that's it. Let me know if you guys got any things that can help. Can help on this video. I think this is the nice library that we in the market right now, that we can use it to detect, and very simple and straightforward to detect the object. Feel free to try it out. Thanks everyone.